Good afternoon, class 5th. How are you all? Hope you all will be doing good in your home. Students, we have completed in the last class our last unit of this section A of this session, unit number 9, life skills and value education. And most of the topic of the chapter is डन बाय योर सेल्फ. ठीक है, तुमको करना था, मैंने होमवर्क भी बताया था और क्या करना है वो भी तुमको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया था. ओके, तो होप यू विल ऑल डन योर वर्क नाइसली. ओके, ऑन टाइम. डोंट लेट इट बी पेंडिंग कि अब तो कोई है नहीं, कोई चेक करेगा नहीं तो फिर नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं सोचना. हम कभी भी आपकी बुक कॉपी को स्कूल मंगा सकते हैं देखने के लिए. सो स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज़ कंप्लीट योर वर्क. आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन what you have to do in the chapter. Okay, so this is the end of this section A or this session. ठीक है, so let's start. In the last, whatever you have learned from chapter number 1 to chapter number 32, okay, in all the units, whatever you have learned, you have to discuss in the test paper. टेस्ट पेपर वो तीनों चीज़ को दिया हुआ है इंटरमिंगल करके. 1 2 3 chapters were given. Sorry, 3 test papers were given. So we are going to complete these 3 chapters in this class. But मैं इसको homework देती if all the classes were running smoothly. अगर जैसे पहले सारी क्लासेस होते तो ये होमवर्क रहता तुमको, तुम्हारा दिस थिंग्स वे डन बाय योर सेल्फ. बट चलो कोई नहीं, हम लोग इसको करते हैं. मैं आंसर्स बताते जा रही हूँ. यू विल राइट द आंसर्स एंड लेटर ऑन अगेन सी द वीडियो अगेन एंड अगेन इफ़ यू डोंट नो, इफ़ यू हैव didn't written the answers. Okay, so let's start. Test paper 1, page number 41. Answer these questions. These questions are given as answer the following questions. You have to write the answers. In the last I have written the answers. Just go through the video again and again and write the correct answers. Page number 41, test paper number 1. Answer this question. Let's start. Which of the most populated state in India? Which is the most populated state in India? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. UTTARPRADESH. Uttar Pradesh. Now second one. Which is a serious piece of writing that ends sorrowfully called tragedy? It is called tragedy. TRAGEDY. Third one. Who was the first Indian to travel to space? Correct answer is Rakesh Sharma. RAKESH. Rakesh. SHARMA. Sharma. Rakesh Sharma. Fourth one. How many half hours make a day? How many half hours make a day? It is 48. क्योंकि 24 फुल आवर होता है, अगर 24 का हाफ करोगे तो इट विल बी 48. ओके, नाउ 5. The twigs of which tree are used to brush teeth in India? नीम का दातुन करते हैं हम लोग घर पे. So the correct answer is neem. 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 Sixth one. Which animal has zebra-like marking on its leg? Correct answer is Okapi. OKAPI. Okapi is the correct answer. Seventh one. In which state is the Pushkar fair held every year? Correct answer is Rajasthan. 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 Eighth one. Which country won the FIFA World Cup for the first time in 2010? Correct answer is Spain. 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 Okay. Now ninth one. What key must be pressed with the Alt key to switch between open programs or windows in a computer? Correct answer is tab. TAB. Tab is the correct answer. Okay. Now 10th one. Which was the first Asian city to host the Commonwealth Games in 1998? 10th. Which was the first Asian city to host the Commonwealth Games in 1998? Correct answer is Kuala Lumpur. KULALAM. Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur. Okay. Now 11th. Bihu is the folk dance belonging to which state of India? Assam. ASSAM. Assam is the correct answer. Now 12th. What is the meaning of the idiom turn a blind eye? Idiom turn a blind eye. It means pretend not to have noticed. Pretend. Pretend. Not. Toughave. Have noticed. Noticed. Pretend not to have noticed. Now 13th. Name the only floating national park in the world. Keibul Lamjau National Park. Keibul. 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 Lamjao. Lamjau National Park. Okay, write the spelling of national park from the question itself given. Okay. 18th. Which is the largest internal organ in the human body? Correct answer is liver. Liver. Now 15th. What was the name of the first artificial Earth satellite launched by former USSR? Correct answer is Sputnik 1. Sputnik. Sputnik 1. ठीक है. So ये चैप्टर, ये टेस्ट पेपर 1 कंप्लीट कर लेना. ओके. अगर नहीं कुछ छूट गया हो तो बार बार वीडियो को बैक करके भी देख सकते हो and complete your test paper. Now students, test paper 2, page number 42. Tick the correct answer. In this test paper, the questions are given. You have to tick the correct answers. Let's start. First, find the odd one out. इसमें कौन odd one है? You have to tick that one. Odd one out. Blue whale, shark, octopus and leopard. Leopard is the odd one. Why? Blue whale, shark and octopus all are marine animals except leopard. Second, Deepa Malik, the first Indian woman to win a medal at the 2016 Paralympic Games, is associated with sport. Correct answer is shot put. Shot put is the correct answer. ठीक है? Now, what is a person who studies the materials that from the earth's surface called? Ornithologist, ecologist, zoologist or geologist? Correct answer is geologist. Okay. Now fourth one. Who is the highest goal scorer in the history of the FIFA World Cup with a total of 16 goals? Correct answer is B. Miroslav Klose. Okay, Miroslav Klose. Now fifth one. The captain lifted the trophy dash. Partially, proudly, probably, naturally. Correct answer is B. Proudly. ठीक है? Now sixth one. Which organ is protected by the skull? Correct answer is B. Brain. Brain is protected by the skull. Okay. Now seventh one. Which of these is not non-biodegradable substance? Which of these is non-biodegradable? Animal dung, paper and wood. These three are the biodegradable substance. So the correct answer is C. Plastic. Plastic is a non-biodegradable substance. Okay. Now eighth one. Which among these is a flightless bird? Flightless bird means which cannot fly. Okay. So the correct answer is kiwi. Kiwi is the bird which cannot fly. ठीक है, kiwi इसका correct answer है. Now ninth, which of these was ISRO's first satellite? कौन है इसरो का first satellite? आर्यभट्ट. Correct answer is आर्यभट्टा. ARYABHATA. आर्यभट्ट. ठीक है, correct answer is आर्यभट्ट. Now 10th, which monument located in Istanbul was the first a church, then a mosque and then now a museum? Correct answer is Hagia Sophia. Correct answer is Hagia Sophia. ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया? कर लेंगे इसको सबको ही. This is tick the correct answer. Please correct it. Okay? अच्छे से कर लेना. Clear? Fine. Okay students? Let's start test paper 3. Answer these questions. Okay? Let's start test paper 3. Answer these questions. I have written all the answers. Please go through it and write the correct spelling. Now, who leads the celebration of the annual Goa Carnival? First, who leads the celebration of the annual Goa Carnival? Correct answer is King Momo. K-I-N-G, King, M-O-M-O, King Momo. Now the second one, name the global governing body for football. Name the global governing body of football. Correct answer is FIFA. F-I-F-A, FIFA. Now the third one, Mangalyaan is also called Dash Orbiter Mission. It is called as Mars Orbiter Mission. M-A-R-S, Mars Orbiter Mission. ठीक है? Fourth, complete the proverb. A beggar cannot be a dash. Correct answer is chooser. C-H-O-O-S-E-R-S, choosers. Fifth one, in computers, which key close the current open window? Current open window. Correct answer is escape. ESC. Correct answer is ESC. Now, sixth one, what is the story of a person's life written by that person called? It is called as autobiography. Spelling is AUTOBIOGRAPHY. Autobiography. Now, the seventh one, who was the first person to who was the first person to walk on the moon? Who was the first person who walked on the moon? Correct answer is Neil Armstrong. Spelling N-E-I-L, Neil, A-M-S-T-R-O-N-G, A-M-S-T-R-O-N-G, Neil Armstrong. ठीक है? Clear हो गया? Now, eighth one, which organ pumps blood through our body? Correct answer is heart. Heart is the correct answer. H-E-A-R-T. Now, ninth, Lavani is a folk dance native to which state? Lavani is a folk dance native to which state? Correct answer is Maharashtra. Spelling M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A. फिर से सुनो अच्छे से स्पेलिंग M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A, महाराष्ट्र. Now 10, who is the author of the Prince and the Pauper? Who is the author of the Prince and the Pauper? Correct answer is Mark Twain. M-A-R-K, Mark, T-W-A-I-N, Twain, Mark Twain. Okay. Now 11th, Alex Marty and Gloria. Alex Marty and Gloria are characters from which film? कौन से फिल्म के कैरेक्टर है ये? मदासागर. M-A-D-A-G-A-S-C-A-R, मदास्कार. M-A-D-A-G-A-S-C-A-R. क्लियर हो गया? Now 12, who was the first Indian javelin thrower to win a gold medal at the 2018 Commonwealth Games? Again, I am repeating the question. Who was the first Indian javelin thrower to win a gold medal at the 2018 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer is Neeraj Chopra. N-E-E-R-A-J, Neeraj, C-H-O-P-R-A, Neeraj Chopra. Now 13th one, the Parthenus produced by Harmony Ganger takes the shape of which animal? The Parthenus produced by Harmony Ganger takes the shape of which animal? Correct answer is otter. O-T-T-E-R, otter. Now 14th, which tree is called the tree of life? Because of the number of products it gives us. Which tree is called? Coconut tree. Correct answer is coconut tree. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut tree. Now 15th, which national memorial is a massive sculpture carved in the Black Hills region of South Dakota? Again, I am repeating the question. 15, which national memorial is a massive structure carved in the Black Hills region of South Dakota? Correct answer is Mount Rushmore. MT लिखना और डॉट करना. MT डॉट RUSHMORE R-E, Rushmore, Mount Rushmore. Okay. So students, Mount Rushmore is the correct answer. So here we have completed the test paper 1, 2 and 3. तीनों test paper complete हो गया and the answer is given to you. So please students, do your work, complete the answers, and please I am again telling you, first you have to complete the last unit of the chapter life skills and value education, whatever the things which is done by yourself, and then these 3 test paper. This is your classwork and these 3 test paper you have to write in your copy. Test paper 1, 2 and 3. It is your homework, you have to write in the copy. ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे हम लोग क्लास लेंगे, है ना. और नेक्स्ट मंडे हमारा, मैं मंडे को लाइव क्लासेस में पूछूंगी सबसे कि किसने किसने होमवर्क किया है कि नहीं. सो दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. टेस्ट पेपर 1, 2 and 3 यू हैव टू राइट इन द कॉपी. ठीक है. और ये इसके साथ ये हमारा सेक्शन ए जो है जीके का वो कंप्लीट होता है. नेक्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट द सेक्शन बी इन द नेक्स्ट क्लासेस. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. ओके. टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ एंड डू योर वर्क इन योर होम. ठीक है. सब अपना ख्याल रखो. बी सेफ, बी स्टे इन योर होम. थैंक यू सो मच क्लास. सी यू ऑल इन द नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे and coming up Monday for the live class.